I think I do. Bye. Hey! Oi!
Clean! Up to No. Ollie! My head. Let me swap. You go there. No, it was me. That wasn't him, it was me.
Yo, that shouldn't be free man them here. Oh. Nice one.
My shoe just broke.
Was it me? Oh wow.
No, this is fine, but I feel like the leather inside broke.
Oh dear. Nice.
One more time, please. One more time. You want one more time?
Holy shit.
He's trying to kill.
Nice roll. Oh, good try, good try.
I probably should have picked that one up.
I mean, it was very short. Even I could have got that, to be fair. I should have actually.
Nice. Yeah.
Huh?
You can't get it.
Huh?
You don't have time.
You gotta go quick.
Nah, I can't go quick there, man.
You got that ball.
Nice one. Nice one. Huh?
A bit wide for you.
I don't know, bro. I'm just hitting them at least. That's all that matters, man. Yeah, I'm not complaining. Nice. Oh, touch. Touch, touch.
Touch.
I don't get touch. Touch. Oh shit. Every jump I do, it goes up.
Yeah, that's the problem. We're having a good head of it.
My song's on.
Huh?
It's my song's on.
Oh, is there a song? That's kind of cute, you know?
The Bob's
I always thought you were quite a cute guy.
You guys got the way away.
Dribble!
Oh, nice try. Why am I on this side, by the way? Nice.
We make it work.
Can you adjust? Is it straight now?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I've missed it. Wait. You're saying? Yeah, no. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. I thought
I've just been standing in the same spot, if I'm real.
Hey, good job.
I've been standing in the same place for a while.
Right?
I've been standing in the same place for a
I
while.
was standing there for ages. Hold on.
Just adjusting the GoPro. Oh, that's right.
Lucky, lucky. I like it. One-handed
I tried making it work.
promise everyone else one good set again. Just one.
That was a good meter set.
Score.
I don't know if this is straight.
No, it's like this. In the report, yeah.
Go. Good shot. I feel extremely awkward. Goes.
Cut.
Nah.
I'm not tipping anymore.
Huh?
No more tipping.
Oh. Let's go.
Relatively is that. I thought that was that. I was like, did you say?
Oh, good shot.
That one's got technical.
Can you pause this? I don't know where the button is.
Oh, that's a dub.
That was a horrible game.